What's up guys, it's Cody over at Form First Fitness, just giving you another garage tutorial. Today we are going to talk about dumbbell squat presses. So for a squat press, we'll pick up those dumbbells, smooth form. We're going to get into a normal squat stance, so slightly outside shoulder width apart. We're going to hammer curl those dumbbells up to the shoulders where the dumbbell is sitting pretty much just on that front shoulder, that anterior delt, okay? So we're not all the way in front, but I don't want it heading towards the back of the shoulder. So once we have that smooth positioning with the dumbbells, we're gonna turn those elbows out just slightly so they are at a 45-degree angle. From there, we're gonna really tighten up that core so that the chest doesn't collapse and bring the weight of the dumbbells down on you. So nice tight core, shoulder blades squeeze together so we're upright, hips back, knees out, come into a full squat, and then powerful coming up as you punch the ceiling. Slow and controlled coming back down, hips back, knees out, slow down, punch the ceiling. If you are starting the squat in these elbows turned out 45-degree angle with the dumbbells in line, there should be no movement of the dumbbells when you're pressing up. Okay, so one more time, hips back, knees out, slow and controlled, punch that ceiling. If you guys like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.